I just wanted to show you about what's happening at Flare Networks, and they just made a new announcement. I posted that, so if you want to see that, or you can come to their Twitter and you can see it too. Here they're talking about, this is just an update on their new network and what's going on with them. So here they posted, they made a milestone of transactions on Songbird. So if you were staking your Songbird on Flare Network and receiving rewards, um, you're probably included in this. So I did make a video about that, how to stake Songbird. It doesn't have everything, like how to use your wallet, but it kind of tells you where you need to go to stake. They have liquidity pools, and they do have some single staking. Um, if you want to check that out, you can look through my videos and find that. Also, what I wanted to talk about is they have a new testnet, which is Coston. This was their new announcement that I made a little video about. So they're like advertising themselves. Okay, so here also on January 7th, they're talking about a Coston Explorer with similar development API access as the Songbird Explorer. So here are their tutorials, and this is the Coston Test Network. So similar to the other network, the Songbird network, we actually got an airdrop, since if you were part of the airdrop thing, and you were able to stake on the Flare network and actually earn rewards. So now this is another one. And well, I guess they even have the stuff here. This is what I was going to show you. So if you click on here, the tutorials, you can go to their Twitter and get this also. You can click on the tutorials and it'll take you here to the docsflare.network. You can see they have the Songbird Canary network, and then they also have this new one, the Coston Test Network. And what I wanted to show you is how you can add it to your MetaMask if you're using that, or whatever wallet you're using. You probably have to add this information. So once you go to your MetaMask, you usually have to go here to this and then go to settings and then networks. And then I just wanted to show you the Coston network that I had already added. And the thing about their thing, it wasn't like as clear cut, but it pretty much you can figure it out. The chain ID is 16, so in your MetaMask that goes here, the chain ID. The network name, I just called it what they're calling it, Coston Network Test Network. And then the RPC URL, you get that here from the RPC. You can't like copy and paste it, so I just click on it and then I go up here and then I copy it and then I go paste it here. And then the currency symbol, once you're in your MetaMask, you usually have symbols so you know which coins are what. This is their, it's kind of like their ticker symbol, cflr. So a lot of their tokens have the FLR. And then this is their block explorer. So once you make a transaction and you want to see it, confirm it, this is where I got that, the block explorer. So I did the same thing, clicked on it, and see, it looks like the Songbird one. And they did say, so I just went up here and I copied, and then I went back to my MetaMask and I just pasted it in there, and then I added my network. And then you will see that network show up. The next thing I wanted to show you is that they actually have a faucet here for you to get the tokens. So to get the cflr token. So you click on the faucet, you go to your MetaMask, your new network you added, copy your address on top, put your address here, and request. You can only request 100 per every 24 hours. So you can come here every day and request new tokens. This, according to them, will be launching, according to their Twitter, in 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from January 7th. Sometimes they have had some delays. So if it doesn't happen, I guess don't get upset. But you could always come here and see what's going on. So see faucet run by Towo Labs, I believe. And if you're on a mobile, you can do it on a Bitfrost wallet. I guess that's also supported by that. And here's the same thing to add this to your wallet, so you can start doing things in the Flare networks. And that's all I have for you today. And if you like this content and if you want more about Flare, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.